CRM Repo API lets you fully customize your Salesforce reports by adding standardized headers and footers for every report. You can optionally encrypt your report using your own custom passcode, ensuring secure distribution and compliance. Slice and dice allow you to take a single report and automatically generate personalized version for multiple recipients delivered directly by email. This trial version is by request and feature is included with uploaded report. CRM Repo API is available for free on the Salesforce Application Exchange. Install it directly into your Salesforce organization. Header and Footer Overview. This section outlines how each part of the header and footer is automatically generated and where every piece of information originates. The header left, the user full name retrieved from Salesforce user information. The header middle, the report name taken directly from Salesforce report. The header right, the Salesforce org instance name automatically detected from the connected org. The footer left, the user company name combined with required confidential information label. The footer middle, page number over total page count generated dynamically when XLSX is created. Footer right, the export date, timestamp apply at the moment the report is formatted. Optional feature, encryption, user may choose to enable encryption and apply a custom encryption code. When enabled, the final XLSX file will require the code to open, adding an additional layer of data protection. To export a tabular or slice and dice report, select Detail Only from the option, and then proceed by clicking Export. The exported report type is tabular. When you open the exported file, Excel may display a warning message. This occurs because tabular reports exported with HTML formatting are saved using the XLS file extension. Also, the file opens and behaves like an Excel spreadsheet. The underlying content is actually HTML, not a native Excel binary format. This is a known behavior with Salesforce export as XLS output and does not affect the content itself, only how Excel interprets the file format. Also, file size expands significantly due to HTML markup. Behavior when opening the exported file. The exported file opened and looked like a normal spreadsheet, including a filtered header row at the top. However, because this type of XLS export is generated in HTML format, the header row is not frozen. As a result, when you scroll down, the header row disappears from view. This makes it harder to read, compare, or analyze large reports, especially when working with many columns. Freezing the header row is not applied in Salesforce native HTML-based XLS report format. A print preview, allowing you to see exactly how the report will appear when printed, including alignment, page breaks, header footer placement, and overall layout. The exported report has no header, no footer, and is not optimized for printing. Portrait is split in multiple pages. In landscape, it's split in multiple pages too. Report formatting screen. This screen displays all the formatting options that CRMRepo API can automatically apply to your spreadsheet. It includes the autofilter, freezing the first row and or the first column, fit to print, optimizing layout for printing, page orientation, landscape or portrait, report format tabular or formatted. The only editing field are two. It's a report name and a new file report name. New report setup. When processing a new report, CRMRepo API create a copy of your default template. You may customize this copy as needed. To preserve your changes, simply save the report setup. For an existing report setup, when working with existing reports, you can review the stored configuration and make update as needed. And after applying changes, click Save to update the setup. Uploading a report. In this example, a report has been uploaded directly from your local device. You can drag and drop the exported Salesforce report into the screen to begin processing. So the next step, once your report file is dropped into the screen, click Next to continue with formatting and processing. The report template setup screen defines the default header, footer, and formatting elements that will be automatically applied to every report you process. Once configured, these settings become your organization's standard template, ensuring consistency, compliance, and a uniform presentation across the exported spreadsheet. Each new report will automatically insert the following value: header left, username is editable; header middle, report name is auto insert; header right is Salesforce instance name, auto displayed; the footer default. The footer is preset with your organization compliance and tracking detail. Footer left, company name plus confidential information is editable. Footer middle, page number with total page count. Footer right, exported date. CRM Repo API also applies several automatic formatting enhancements to improve readability and printing. Enable autofilter, freeze both the first column. Fit to print, optimize the worksheet for clean professional printing. Apply landscape or portrait, page setup for better layout and printing page. If your organization is granted slice and dice trial period, an additional section become available. This section add two editable fields, email subject and email body, both of which default to a dynamic message containing the report name, number of record per recipient included, and run date, UTC format. Here is a processed report generated through CRM Repo API. It includes proper formatting, frozen headers first row, and new file report name. The header row is automatically frozen, so when you scroll down, the spreadsheet displays record 22 directly beneath the header's first row. This ensures the column title remains visible at all times, making it easier to read, compare, and analyze large sets of data. Fit to print automatically optimize the Excel page layout by adjusting scaling, margins, and page widths to ensure the entire report fits neatly onto the printed page. This prevents column from being cut off, reduces unwanted page break, and produces a clean print-ready layout every time. In this next example, we demonstrate a formatted report. A formatted report preserves all your Salesforce configurations, filters, grouping levels, subtotals, totals, and layout elements, and applies them directly to the Excel file, ensuring the exported spreadsheet mirrors the structure of the original Salesforce report. So formatted report's name, export date, username, and applied report filters are all displayed on the first page only, providing a complete and accurate summary of the report contents and configuration. When print preview is selected, the exported Salesforce formatted report does not include any header or footer or fit to print adjustment. These elements are not applied in Salesforce native formatted XLSX export and therefore will not appear in the print preview. The screen displays all the formatting options for formatted report: fit to print, page orientation, report format, which is supposed to be formatted. Only the following fields are editable on the screen: report name, new file report name. When processing a new report, CRM Repo API create a copy of your default template. You may customize this copy as needed. To preserve your changes, simply save the report setup. For existing report, when working with existing report, you can review its stored configuration and make update as needed. After applying changes, click Save to update the setup. In this example, a report has been uploaded directly from your local drive. You can drag and drop the exported Salesforce report into the screen to begin processing. Next step, once your report has been dropped into the screen, click Next to continue formatting and processing. The process report is saved using the new file name defined in the report setup. You will also notice that the export date is automatically appended to the file name, helping you track when each report was generated. The process report includes both header and footer, making it presentation ready and compliant. Fit to print automatically optimizes the Excel page layout by adjusting scale in margin and page width to ensure the entire report fit neatly into the printed page. This prevents columns from being cut off, reduces unwanted page breaks, and produces a clean print-ready layout every time. Compared to the unformatted export, the processed version provides a cleaner, professional structure. The screen allows any uploaded report, tabular or formatted, to be encrypted by added protection. Simply drag and drop the exported Salesforce report into this window. If additional security is required, enable Encrypt Report and enter an encryption code. The final Excel file will require this code to open, ensuring secure handling of sensitive data. Because Salesforce Flow cannot download encrypted file directly, the encrypted report will be emailed to the user. However, the same uploaded file is also processed with all the formatting option applied and is downloaded normally. Your uploaded report can be downloaded through the Flow with the header and footer applied. However, encrypted reports are delivered by email because Flow callouts cannot return encrypted content. The system also appends an E to the encrypted file name. When opening an encrypted Excel file generated by CRM Repo API, you will be prompted to enter the encryption code. This code is a security key applied during processing and is required to unlock and view the report's content. The processed report includes both header and footer, making it presentation ready and compliant. Slice and Dice automate smart report distribution. Instead of manually exporting and filtering the same Salesforce report for different users, you simply run or upload it once. The system looks at the email and automatically slices the report into a personalized dataset. Each recipient gets only their relevant slice, complete with a customized header, footer, record count, and run date. This transforming a manual repetitive task into a fully automated workflow. In this example, a lead status report includes status and owner. The goal is to deliver each Salesforce user with the lead they own. Slice and Dice identifies the email in the first column, filters the report to the specific owner, apply a dynamic header and footer, such as lead assigned to John Doe, and email each user their personalized Excel file. No manual filtering or exporting is required. The screen displays the formatting options that CRM Repo API can automatically apply to your new spreadsheet. These include enabling autofilter, freezing the first row and/or the first column, optimizing the layout for printing, and applying a landscape page setup for improved page utilization. At the top, you can review the selected process type, upload or run, as well as the report format tabular only. In this example, a report has been uploaded directly from your local device, and Slice and Dice is active for this upload. Drag and drop the exported Salesforce report to begin processing. The header and footer preview displays the elements CRM Repo API will generate automatically. The only editable field within this template are report name and file report name downloaded. All other header and footer components are system controlled to ensure consistency and compliance. A new section on the screen also introduces two editable fields, email subject and email body, allowing you to customize the message used when distributing the completed report. Altogether, the screen provides a clear and comprehensive overview of how CRM Repos API structure, format, and prepare your report before generating the final Excel file. Slice and Dice begin by identifying the recipients based on the email column in the tabular report. The recipient email column must be sorted. Each unique email will receive a personalized report slice. Slice and Dice is available in trial mode for uploaded reports. Each slice is generated based on recipient data. As you can see, additional recipient email addresses and their corresponding record are displayed in this example, taken from the Slice and Dice uploaded file that is being processed. For each recipient, the email sent to their email address includes the following. Email from systemhelp@crmrepos.com, the same sender used by CRM Repo job scheduling. Email to the email address from the first column. Attachment, the slice report file. The file name begins with SD underscore followed by a counter 1, 2, 3, 4 and so far. Email subject, your record from report name. Email body includes the report name, record count, and run date in UTC. Please note, both the email subject and email body are fully customized for each report. When you click the report file attached to the email, you will notice that the email column has been removed and the first row has been frozen for easier viewing. Any report generated through slice and dice automatically includes the header and footer as well as all fit-to-print optimization. For each recipient, the email sent to their email address includes the following. Email from systemhelp@crmrepos.com, the same sender used by CRM Repo job scheduling. Email to the email address from the first column. Attachment, the slice report file. The file name begins with SD underscore followed by a counter 1, 2, 3, 4 and so far. Email subject, your record from report name. Email body includes the report name, record count, and run date in UTC. Please note, both the email subject and email body are fully customized for each report. When you click the report file attached to the email, you will notice that the email column has been removed and the first row has been frozen for easier viewing. Any report generated through slice and dice automatically includes the header and footer as well as all fit-to-print optimization. For each recipient, the email sent to their email address includes the following. Email from systemhelp@crmrepos.com, the same sender used by CRM Repo job scheduling. Email to the email address from the first column. Attachment, the slice report file. The file name begins with SD underscore followed by a counter 1, 2, 3, 4 and so far. Email subject, your record from report name. Email body includes the report name, record count, and run date in UTC. Please note, both the email subject and email body are fully customized for each report. When you click the report file attached to the email, you will notice that the email column has been removed and the first row has been frozen for easier viewing. Any report generated through slice and dice automatically includes the header and footer as well as all fit-to-print optimization. For assistance, question, or feature requests, simply click Contact Us to reach our support team. We are here to help.